Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this tulip. All you need is a terracotta pot and some soil, either like this one or this one. I'll leave the link for these videos in the description. You'll need some cotton yarn in whichever colour you want for your tulip and some green. You'll need some wire cutters, scissors, a yarn needle, a 3mm hook, some stuffing, and I have some florist wire as well. Okay, to start I'm going to make the leaf. So make a slip knot with your green yarn and chain 13. Okay, once you've chained 13, you want to skip the last one that you did and you want to slip stitch into the second one. Okay, slip stitch into the next one. So that's 2 slip stitches. Single crochet 1 in the next stitch. Then 2 half double crochets. So 1 in that stitch and 1 in the next one. 3 double crochets. One in the next one, and 1 in the third one. Right, 3 treble crochets. And in the last one, make 1 double crochet. Alright, so it should look like that. So it's 2 slip stitches, 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochets, 3 double crochets, 3 treble crochets, and 1 double crochet in the last one. You need to chain 2. Okay. And then we're just going to single crochet around. So turn your work. You just want to put 1 single crochet in each of these back loops of the chain. When I get to the top of the leaf, I'm going to put 2 single crochets in this one. And then I'm going to keep 1 single crochet in each of the stitches down the other side. Alright, so I'm stopping before my chain 2. Cut your yarn, pull that through. Alright. Next we're going to make the little tulip. So this one's done in a cross stitch, but I'm just going to show you how to do it in a single crochet. So take whichever colour you chose, make a slip knot, chain 2, and then make 6 single crochets in the first chain that you made. Okay, pull the tail tight. In the next row we need to increase each stitch, so we're going from 6 single crochets to 12. So 2 single crochets in each stitch. Once you've increased to 12 single crochets, in the next row you need to increase to 18. So put 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 increase in the second stitch. Right, so 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 increase in the second stitch. And you just need to do that all the way around until you get back to your stitch marker. Now that we've increased to 18, in the next row we need to increase to 24. 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the second stitch, and 1 increase in the third stitch. Okay, so it's 2 single crochets and an increase for this row. So now that we've increased to 24 stitches, we need to just make 14 rows of single crochet. Okay, so just 1 single crochet in each stitch for 14 rows. Okay. Okay, so just one in each stitch until you have 14 rows above your stitch marker. Okay, so I'm going to do that and I'll come back and show you how it looks. Alright, here's how it looks after I've done my 14 rows. The next thing you need to do is grab your florist wire and you just want to bend the end over a couple of times. And then push it all the way through the center. Okay, so it comes out the bottom. Then we just need to stuff it. Okay, so I haven't stuffed it too much, so I can finish it off. So cut your yarn and pull it through. And then what you want to do is just stitch from one side to the other. Just do that in a couple of stitches. And then you want to squeeze the other two sides together. So you want to go from one side through the center you've already made, and then out the other side. Alright, so now that you've stitched it all closed, it should look like this. I'm going to show you how to make the stem now. So just cut a piece of green yarn. Make a knot at the top. Okay, so once you've made a knot at the top, you want to take this piece on the left, make it into a 4, so it looks like a 4. Then take the piece on the right, go over the green one, and then you want to come out here, so under the stem and under the green piece, and pull it tight. Okay, so you can do it this way or you can just twist it around. Some people have florist tape. Okay, so once I've done the stem, this is how it looks. All twisted. And you can't see the wire at all. Alright, so I've just knotted the two ends together. And I just need to knot it about halfway or a little bit higher. And then I'm just going to use my needle and I'm just going to weave it in to the stem. Just in these little loops here. Alright, so I weaved one of my ends through the leaf and up into the flower. And I weaved the other one just through the stem and then cut it off. The last thing you need to do is to push the wire through the center of the soil and out the bottom and then loop it back up. And same with these two green threads. I just pushed it through the soil and then just threaded it through. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.